Okay. So, I got Dollar General today. Um, Christmas tins. Or metal tins. These type of things. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6. Basically 2 of each. 7, 8. These cost $8. What can you use them for? Christmas stuff. Not for me. Right? You open like that. Bam. Right? I think of these for survival kits. I do. Right? Um, I think of these for survival kits. Honestly. Because that's the thing. Right? I was for 10 kits. Like, yeah, you can't probably boil water in here, but you'll be able to fit a kit in here. Like a little kit. I think of it because, right? I think of it because for 10, 10's for whatever, because that's the thing, Okay, is there any fork in here? Probably not. I'm looking at my lunch I'm going to have today. So, yeah. But, yeah, I think Christmas, like, 10's for, like, survival kits and all that. That's how I think. That's how I'm thinking of these. So, I got 2 with Reindeer with Santa. Okay. 2 with, nutcrackers, I think they're called. 2 with general Christmassy stuff. And 2 with plaid. Right? These are basically, I'm going to make kits out of in the coming weeks, months, all that. So, yeah. Anyway, that's what I do. General. Peace.